Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today's video is a nice cozy clean with me, so grab a cup of tea and a blanket and get cozy, and let's just jump straight into it. These are all the products that I've decided to use today, and I want the house to smell super cozy and festive. So in the living room I am going to give it a spray with the mulled wine airwick fragrance. This smells insane, I absolutely love it. And I'm going to use the airwick candle for the first time because it's the mulled wine scent as well, so I thought that would go really nicely together in the living room. In the kitchen, I'm going to fill the sink up with the warm cinnamon Zaflora. This smells lush. I absolutely love it. And I'm going to go over the sides with the Flash all-purpose spray, as well as the white vinegar spray just on the handles and everything to make everything nice and shiny. You can see all of the marks and everything on there. It's just so bad at the moment. So I'm going to go in with that, and I'm also, of course, going to clean the sink with the Cif cream because I love the Cif cream. It smells amazing and it just gets the job done. It's definitely one of my favourite products. So to start with, I need to sort out the mess that is in the kitchen and get everything sorted, sort the washing up out and put bits away just so I can then go in and give everywhere a good clean.
She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, nah, never know, nah. She will never know, nah, never know, nah. She'll never know. It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did. But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go. I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her close, but I have to try as hard as I can, 'cause she'll never be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. She will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, nah, nah. Never know, nah, nah. She will never know.
So once all the washing up's done and the sides are nice and decluttered, I'm going to go in using the Flash all-purpose spray. This smells so amazing. I think I use it way too often, but I love the smell of it. So I'm just going to go in and wipe down all of the sides, getting rid of all the crumbs and everything. And I'm also going to go over the hob and the microwave as well and just give everything a good wipe over.
So window change, I've never ever felt this way. Longing for you, pick up the phone, catching a flight, I'm coming home, back to the place I've always.
So this white vinegar spray is awesome on chrome, mirrored furniture or glass as well. So I'm just going to go in and buff up the hob and make it nice and shiny before putting the washing up away, so I can go in and give the sink a good deep clean, because you know I love a nice clean sparkly sink.
You were only like a friend, till we met the other day. Didn't want the night to end, and now there's a window change. I've never ever felt this way. You're stuck inside my mind, deep inside my mind. I think that now's the time. Longing for you, pick up the phone, catching a flight, I'm coming home, back to the place I've always known. Home, home, seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun and spend.
So so I'm now going to go in and do the sink with the Cif cream, and I've used the last of it. I actually got quite sad when I realised that I've just run out, so I really need to grab some more. But I absolutely love this product. It smells gorgeous. I don't know what it is, but ever since I started using it, I haven't looked back. I've just rebought it, and I'm definitely going to continue to use this. I love the smell of it, and I find it so satisfying putting it all on as well, so definitely recommend this one. But I'm then going to go in with a dry microfiber cloth and wipe off all the bubbles and everything. I think that just helps buff it up, and then of course I'm going back in with the white vinegar spray just to make it nice and shiny. The warm cinnamon and the winter spice are definitely my favourites of Flora scents at Christmas. I'm going in using the warm cinnamon today. Just going to fill the sink up with some hot water to get the room smelling gorgeous, and then I'm going to go round and wipe down all the sides just to disinfect everything, make sure everything is nice and clean. I've still yet to get my hands on the frosted peppermint, and I know I'm going to love that one, but I just can't find it anywhere. So I'm still on the hunt for that one, but it just sounds amazing, so I can't wait to give that one a try.
In your secrets for way too long. This can't keep going on. With every lie, they keep on hurting you, getting away with everything they do. This can't keep going on. No, we're gonna find them, and I'm gonna fight for you. They better start hiding. We'll be running with the lions, lions. We'll be running with the lions, lions. They can't run.
Once I've all had a really good clean, I'm then going to go in with the white vinegar spray again, just over the handles, just to make sure that it stays nice and shiny.
I'll go through fire. I'll climb the mountains for you. Tell me, 'cause I'm looking out for you. This can't keep going on. No, 'cause you're not alone in this. We'll do this together. No, you're not alone in this. No, we're gonna find them, and I'm gonna fight for you. They better start hiding. We'll be running with the lions.
Now the kitchen's all done, it's literally like a weight off my shoulders. I love having a clean kitchen. I don't know what it is, but if it gets slightly cluttered, it just gives me proper anxiety. Like, I need to sort it out straight away. So the kitchen is nice and done and fresh, ready for the day. So now I just need to go into the living room. I'll flip the camera so you can actually see what I'm talking about. It isn't too bad, but at the same time, I think it's really bad. It's looking very dishevelled. Just everything isn't quite where it should be. Oh, I love him so much. So ever since we got Cinnabon, everything's just kind of been put on hold, and I haven't done as much tidying as I should, and yeah, everything just needs freshening up, basically, putting back where it should be. I need to do a good hoover because there is literally hay everywhere. Even going through here, I think there's hay just all on the floor. So yeah, I need to get cracking, sort out the washing up, do the cushions, and just get this room looking nice and snug.
Will you call me back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your.
I hope you're enjoying today's video so far. If it's given you all the motivation, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up, and also consider subscribing to my channel for lots of cleaning motivation, decluttering and organisation every single week, and every weekday throughout December, Monday through Friday, there's going to be a brand new video. So do be sure to subscribe, become part of my little YouTube family so you don't miss any of my future uploads.
Down low.
now everything's looking a lot more put together and ready for the day, I'm going to go in and give it a good hoover. I can't believe how much hay is getting literally everywhere in my house, even places where the rabbit doesn't go. I don't know how, but I'm finding hay literally everywhere. So I'm just going to go round, give the living room and everywhere a good hoover, including the stairs, and just try and get up as much of this hay as possible.
The traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. Tick-tock.
So who knew that one little bunny could make so much mess? So I'm just going to go in and swap the head over on the hoover so I can go back down the stairs and get in all the creases where the hoover didn't fit, just to make sure that all the hay's gone and everything is nice and clean. Even though we do have a house rabbit, I do still want my house to be nice and clean and fresh and just smelling beautiful. So I'm going to make sure that I do this more often, but he is definitely worth it. So once I've finished hoovering, I've just got to then turn on all the lights, light some candles and make everything nice and cozy. I'm also going to be spraying my mulled wine airwick fragrance because that just smells gorgeous, and I just love the feeling and the vibe in this living room when all the lights are on and the fragrance is sprayed. It just makes it so warm and inviting and festive, and I absolutely love it.
I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you. My heart keeps.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope that you found all the motivation that you came looking for. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you back here in the next one.